Hello everyone and welcome to another video about the functionalities in Impress 8. Today we will discuss the different types of integration. But first let me explain a bit about what integration actually is. Integration is a type of video filter which uses multiple frames as input and generates a single image as output. This can be done multiple ways and today we will discuss frame averaging, temporal smoothing and superresolution. So let's get started with frame averaging. Frame averaging does take multiple frames and generates one output frame with a higher signal to noise ratio in comparison to the original frames. In Impress you can simply add the filter and click play. You can see the frame averaging buffer increase its count. This is the amount of frames which are averaged to get the result. So this is the original and this is the result. Another option is to use temporal smoothing. In essence, this does the same as frame averaging, except for the fact it has a limited buffer size. This maximum amount of frames is adjustable using the memory parameter. What happens now is that when I hit play, the frames will fill the buffer and generate an averaged image. When the maximum amount of frames in the buffer is reached, the first image in the buffer will be removed and a new image will be added. The result will be a video in which the frames are a result of an average of the preceding 3 frames. This can be helpful in cases where the movement is not very significant, but the noise is heavy, like in this example. So this is the original and this is the result. The last type of integration I would like to show you is called superresolution. This is a special type of integration. The superresolution filter takes multiple low resolution input images as input and generates one higher resolution output image. If we open this video and browse the individual frames, we can see the images is very small and it's impossible to interpret these characters correctly. We will use these low resolution images and construct a higher resolution image using the superresolution filter. The amount of increased resolution is limited to 300%. So let's set this value to the max. Now we can simply press play and we can see the result image being constructed. Superresolution is an operation which will add a little bit of blur to your resulting image, so it is advised as a second step to apply a deblur or a sharpening. In this case we will use the general deblur filter with a small value for blur. So today we showed you the integration filters. These filters can be used when you have multiple input images and they result in a single result image. These filters are very powerful when the scene or object of interest is almost stationary. When this is not the case, we can use a stabilization operation as a pre-processing step. So that was it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.